Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix Minecraft java.lang.NullPointerException. So to fix this problem, it is extremely simple. We want to ensure that our Java is updated. We want to check for mod conflicts by removing them. And lastly, we want to allocate more RAM to the game in the Minecraft launcher. So there are two ways mainly to fix this problem, and that is by updating our Java. Now to do that, you can just search for control panel on your system computer. From here, just search for Java, click on Java, and then you want to click on the update button. Head over to the update now, click on it, and from there you will be able to simply update your Java that is essential for running Minecraft. And so after updating our Java application, we then want to update our graphics drivers, another necessity when running games like Minecraft. So head over to your graphic drivers. In my case, I'm using NVIDIA, so I'll search for NVIDIA drivers on my browser. You could be using something like NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel. You can just go ahead and find out. So in my case, I'll then head over to the NVIDIA official website, find my graphics drivers, and click on the find button. Wait for the page to load in, and then we can download the latest file from the official website, which is going to be this one. And so after updating your graphics drivers, you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.